Demolition robot enters towering lime kiln through tiny opening. Will it complete its mission? A remote-controlled demolition robot proved its worth recently by taking on the hazardous job of entering and demolishing the interior of a large industrial clinker rotary kiln. On-site footage shows the robot being maneuvered onto a wooden pallet and lifted up to the entrance of the kiln by a forklift operator. Under the careful direction of its remote operator, the nimble robot then makes its way into the depths of the kiln. This is a compact rotary kiln with a diameter of 2 to 3 meters and length of 20 to 40 meters. Despite its relatively small size compared to large industrial kilns, it is still a sizable piece of equipment. The interior environment is harsh, with temperatures reaching over 1,000 degrees Celsius. Dust, noise, and confined spaces make manual work hazardous. Access points are limited on this small-scale kiln. The operator positions the demolition robot on a wooden pallet on the ground near the rotary kiln entrance. Using a remote control, the operator maneuvers the tracked robot into place at the center of the pal. A forklift with long forks lifts up the pallet and robot in one smooth motion. The forklift slowly approaches the dark kiln entrance, aligning the centered robot precisely with the opening. When aligned perfectly, the operator remotely controls the robot to initiate entry. The robot crawls forward on its tracks, reaching the pallet edge before continuing onward into the massive kiln, its compact size allowing it to fully enter the confined space. Once inside, the demolition robot uses its hydraulic breaker attachment to begin breaking apart the kiln's refractory brick lining. Each strike of the breaker sends sparks flying as the robot efficiently chips away at the hardened bricks. According to industry experts, using demolition robots for jobs like this improves worker safety and reduces maintenance time during bricking operations. Instead of exposing human crews to the dangers of entering confined spaces like rotary kilns, we can send in a rugged demolition robot to take care of the most hazardous work, said one engineer familiar with the technology. With the ability to access and demolish hard-to-reach areas, demolition robots may become a standard fixture for industrial maintenance and demolition projects moving forward.